Hey, Ronnie. Hey, Ronnie. After watching this video, I can feel something inside me. Brother, not only a simple feeling, I have a heavy feeling inside me. You won't understand. Listen, I have already planned something. I know how to fulfill my dream. What do you think? Only you have planned everything. Only you can plan anything. I have also planned everything. Yes. Acha. Hello, I am Bevab. Welcome to this episode of Crime Stories named Jealousy. Friends, mostly our thinking and the reality doesn't match. This is not important that everything that we think will turn into a reality. This story is about two friends who are really best friends. They stay in a house together like paying guests. We have listened them saying that everything is planned. What were they planning exactly? To know this, we'll have to look something. Let's start. Hey bro, what is this place? I think you should call him. Yes, you are right. Arey yaar. I've been trying him so many times and his phone is switched off. What to do? We cannot see anyone. Let's ask this man. Excuse me? Yes? Can you help us with this address? Oh, this is a wrong colony. Do one thing. You just go 2 kilometers away. 2 kilometers? You'll get an auto rickshaw stand and then you will see a bus stand. And your address will be there only. Take this. Oh no. We cannot connect to Kamini also. Her phone is switched off. Oh no. Let's go. Don't know how much I'll have to walk.
Please come.
Ma'am, your phone was switched off all this time.
Actually, I forgot to charge my phone. I hope you guys reached here properly.
We had to struggle a lot.
I am really very sorry. Okay, this is your room. Please check it.
The room is good.
So, did you guys like it?
Oh, the room is very beautiful. I wish if I can hug and...
I was talking about the house. I think you guys have misunderstood me.
No, it's not like that. It is very beautiful. In fact, I haven't seen this kind of beauty in my life. It's so beautiful, but it's like beautiful than moon.
Oh God, what's wrong with you guys? You guys are acting so strange. Had someone done black magic on you or what? Are you guys fine? Okay, fine, I'm leaving. You guys can rest. But yeah, please remember one thing. You got to pay rent every month on time, okay?
Okay, sure.
Okay, now you guys can rest.
Yes. Hey friend, if the landlord is so beautiful, I will not leave this house only. I'll stay there only. Let's go. Just think, it will be very
You
bad.
do what you want to.
I need the paper.
Property papers I'm not gonna give you.
Listen, this property is mine and I'll sell it off. I have all rights with this property. Just listen to me.
Puneet, I have all rights on this property. And I am not gonna leave it. Got it?
Now see what I do. You just wait and watch.
Go to hell.
Hey Kamini. Kamya ji? The Wi-Fi is not working in our room. What happened, Kamya ji? Any problem? Oh, please don't cry like this. Your makeup will get ruined.
That's an old dialogue. It doesn't suit. Okay, leave all that. You please tell me about yourself.
Well, Kamya ji, I'll tell about myself sometime later. But you tell me about yourself.
Vicky, my life is just like a roller coaster. I did get married, and I thought that all my dreams are accomplished. But the other moment, all my dreams were shattered badly. And all the desire to live life got finished. Everything got shattered. But now it feels that I got a new desire to live. Life feels like happy again now. It feels like I am going to get a life partner very soon.
I hope everything will be very nice in your life, Kamya ji. Okay?
Let's go. I'll make some tea for you.
Okay.
Let's go.
Wow, what a pleasant surprise.
Please sit. Have this.
you sit,
Fresh
no.
hot Maggie. Please sit.
Yes, you also sit.
Please eat and tell me, how is it?
You'll not eat?
No. Okay, yeah, that guy, the best friend of yours, Vicky, where is he?
There is a prelim going on in his college.
If he
He'll
was
be
here
a bit
to-
late. He has gone for the books.
By the way, he looks studious, right?
Is it? And me? I mean, what do you think about me?
You are really amazing.
Thank you. Let me tell you, Maggie is really tasty. I wish I can eat
Eat
all
it.
of
I
this
have
Maggie.
more.
Listen, you'll also have to take a bite.
No. I am really full.
Okay.
I'll do one thing. I will also pack it for Vicky.
No, it's okay. He doesn't like Maggie.
He will eat it.
Okay then, if you're saying like that, I'll give it to him. Let me tell you, I don't want to share the Maggie that you have
Okay.
made, huh?
Why so?
Bus, one of the things.
You are really naughty.
Sister-in-law, how are you?
Hey,
How are you?
how will I be after your brother's death?
Sister-in-law, I also know that brother has left you many time back, but that doesn't mean that you will make yourself like this. Sister-in-law, how long will it be like this? I also feel sad because he left us. Every time I see you with all of this work only, why don't you go outside and enjoy for some time? Every time you are sad and I do not like this thing.
I am broken, brother-in-law. What should I do? How will I do?
I have an idea. You do one thing. You start doing a part-time job, or else you can do some business.
But who is going to give me a job? I have just done plain BCom.
Then what happened? Nowadays everybody can do a job.
No, brother-in-law, no. In today's time, the one who is not at all skilled in IT and technology, no one gives them a job.
Sister-in-law, you'll get the job. That is my guarantee. I'll get the laptop tomorrow and I'll teach you everything how to get the job. Okay?
Are you serious about it?
Yes, I'm telling you the truth. You just do one little work for me.
And what I got to do?
Make a cup of tea for me.
Oh, come on, just a tea. That I'll make it now. And you like to have tea with sugar, right?
Oh, so you have noticed about my choice, huh?
I very well know that what my brother-in-law likes and dislikes. And who else will
Yes,
know?
why not? So why don't you go and make a cup of tea for me?
Okay,
Make it fast.
brother-in-law.
And listen,
Huh?
please get some biscuit also along with the tea. Okay?
Okay.
Can I cut this for you?
Huh? Okay, fine. Cut it. His touch is just like my husband. What if brother-in-law replaces him? But oh God, I've gone crazy or what? Who will accept a widow like me? Anyways, I have his support at least. In such a way, I can secure my future.
Sister-in-law,
Huh?
look
Oh,
what I have got
brother-in-law?
for you.
What did you got along?
For you, a laptop to teach you.
And how does this works?
You have a button in this side, and
Oh.
if you press this button, it will open like your smile.
Oh, okay.
Use the enter. This is ABCD, and you have 1, 2, 3 here.
Ah.
And this side, look, play it
Oh,
here.
that's really wonderful.
Hmm.
Wait, let me just try. Oh, wow. This is like a magical box.
Magical, yeah. Now with this, you can do some online business or anything you want to do.
Brother-in-law, I'm really thankful to you.
Why don't you do it on your own?
And how to operate this?
You have to press this button with your hand, and then you can type my name. Type yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Oh, I
Yeah.
did it very easily.
Now you can type my name after this.
And this, what do you call it? There's so many things to learn.
Sister-in-law, you just type the name and I'll show you everything.
Okay, fine. Oh, brother-in-law.
What happened, sister-in-law?
I received 5,000 in my account.
Money?
That just because of you. You taught me about the computers. And from that, I earned 5,000 rupees in online marketing. Take a look.
Oh, yeah, this is true. Look at you, sister-in-law. You are such a good learner. Wow.
Just because of you.
But you'll have to give me a party.
Whatever you say, I'll give it to you, brother-in-law.
Just think, sister-in-law. Whatever I ask, you'll have to
At
give.
least you tell me, please.
You just do one thing. Get one hot cup of tea for me.
Oh, just a tea. That I'll just get it.
Huh.
Brother-in-law, your tea.
Oh,
Sorry, brother-in-law.
okay, it's okay, sister.
No, you please give it to me. I'll clean it up.
No, I'll come. I'll just come.
Actually, brother-in-law, that day I have spilled tea on your t-shirt. Give it to me, I'll wash it and give you.
Oh, there's the t-shirt, sister-in-law.
Okay. Okay, fine. I'll take it. By the way, brother-in-law, you have a nice body.
Is it?
Yes.
But I've got my tummy.
But you're looking nice.
I'm looking good.
Yes. Brother-in-law,
Huh.
have you fallen in love?
Love. I haven't met anyone till now. Didn't fall in love.
Okay.
Mhm.
So what is your plans? If you want to love someone, then what you will do?
what to do. If she says yes, if I say yes, then things
Okay.
will happen.
Then, fine, brother-in-law. Then I will wash this T-shirt and give it to you. Brother-in-law,
Huh?
should I say something?
Yes, please.
I like you a lot.
Is it? Since when?
I didn't even realize after your brother passed away, when I was alone, then you only supported me that time. And then teaching computers, all your funny jokes. And then the way you asked me for the tea every time, teasing me that say something. And during all these, I didn't realize that when I started liking you.
Is it?
Really?
I also like you a lot.
From when?
After my brother has left, I can see it in your eyes that you love me a lot. You like me.
You are really nice. I can see your brother's shadow in you. You get married to me, please.
What are you saying? Are you mad? Why will I get married to you? Huh? I will marry some other girl, no?
Okay. So before sleeping with me, you didn't realize that you want to marry an unmarried girl?
You also have slept with me. But that doesn't mean that I'm going to get married to you.
So you don't love me or what?
No.
Then fine. I will tell the whole world that what has happened in between us. You just wait and watch. I will destroy you. Got it?
What did I do? What did I do?